Step one of creating the metadata for your music NFT token. You gotta get all the audio files ready. So get the audio file of the song. Get the audio file for like the remixes. Get the audio file for the stems, different mixes, the videos. Like, what if you wanted to have a music video? Then you need to have all the music videos in the highest quality. Get a visualizer video if you wanted to have like a video that does the visualize. So once you have all that stuff, get the audio files, the high quality WAV files of the song, and then convert them down to MP3s. Make a low quality version of all those songs. So now you have two copies of the song, right? You have the high quality and the low quality. So right here I have the WAV files, and then I have MP3 files of all the songs, like a whole EP, right? So if you look, it's kind of shit. It's kind of like really hard to see. Let me make it bigger. So all these files, these are MP3s, and they have the album art inside of them. That picture is inside the MP3. We want the MP3 to be as low quality, like not quality, as low of a size of a file as possible. So we don't want the picture in there because the picture is going to be inside the metadata. So don't do that with the MP. If you can make the MP3 not have a picture, you know, just downsample the wave to the MP3. You got it? So now you have the right ingredients to have your audio files prepared for the next step of getting your metadata ready to make a music NFT.